The seagull does not eat only fish. It also eats shrimp, small crabs, and sometimes leftover food found near human areas. This adaptability helps it survive. People visit the beach. The seagull watches for leftover food, but it stays cautious because danger may be nearby.
Seagulls usually live in groups. They build colonies along coastlines and on rocky cliffs.
Using sand, dry leaves, and grass, the seagull builds a simple nest. The nest is important for laying eggs and raising chicks. Both parents take turns keeping the eggs warm. Maintaining the right temperature requires patience and care. Some seagulls migrate seasonally. They travel to warmer regions where food is more abundant. Wildcats and large birds may threaten eggs and chicks. The parents stay alert to protect their young. At night, they rest together on rocky cliffs or safe coastal areas protected from strong winds. The next morning, as the sun rises again, the seagull takes flight once more.